Samala Tashtale. So today we are going to learn Tibetan lesson 7. How to say M is R in Tibetan language. So we have here yin, yakigu yin na yin, rajengbo reta re, yin, re. So mostly like Tibetan sentences, we have here subject and object, the verb. So yin and the re, it will come to the end of the sentence. So let's first look at the yin. So ya kigu yin na yin. Yin we say am, mostly used in first person, either I or we. So yakigu yin na yin. So here we have subject as a nga, object as a tashi, and then last we have here yin. Nga, nga, tashi, yin. 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 Nga, nga, tashi, yin. Nga, tashi, yin. Nga, tashi, yin. Nga, cho, nga, cho, tashi, yin. Nga, cho, tashi, yin. Nga, cho, tashi, yin. Nga, cho. Sorry, here there's a one dot here. So ngan chu tashi yin. Ngan chu tashi yin. So next we have here re. Rating bo re tha re. Rating bo re tha re. Rating bo re tha re. So it comes like a re. Mostly it has like a red when you like pronouncing each letter by each. It comes red. But in case when you listen someone speaking with you, it comes like a red, like this sound. So it doesn't have in the end like a ta normally pronounced, but it has red. So re ratenbur re ta re. So re is generally used in second person or third person. So we have here second person. This is the subject, right? Kerang chomo object. Re it comes to the end. Kerang chomo re. Kerang chomo. Chomo is name of the girl. So kerang chomo re. 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 Kerang cho shapchua re. Shapchua means a dancer. People used to dance, right? We call them dancer. Shapchua. Shapchua. So kerang cho shapchua re. Kerang cho shapchua re. Kerang cho shapchua re. 키랑초 샵초와레 키랑초 샵초와레 키랑초 샵초와레 키랑초 샵초와레 키랑초 샵초와레 코 쩌시레 코 쩌시레 코 쩌시레 코 쩌시레 코 쩌시레 코 쩌시레 모 초모레 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 디 룩레 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 덴초 룩레 덴초 룩레 덴초 룩레 덴초 룩레 덴초 룩레 So lesson 7, that's all. If you have any question, send me a message. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye. 考虑修过